Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about removing or deleting a bookmark you have saved on Twitter. So if you bookmarked a tweet in the past but you want to remove it, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do such an action. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the bookmarks entry on the left panel here. And now on the right side, if you have a lot of bookmarks, you can go ahead in the search field up at the top and search for certain keywords that may be present in that bookmark you want to remove. And then once you locate or navigate to that tweet, you want to select a little bookmark icon that when you hover over it, it says remove from bookmarks. Go ahead and left click on that one time, and you can see that we have confirmation that it has been removed from our bookmark folder. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.